Welcome to another DIY guide on simple car maintenance. I've been meaning to create a car maintenance video for a while now, but my schedule has been packed with reviewing and showcasing power tools. It's high time we switch gears, pun intended, and dive into car maintenance. The inspiration for this video comes from one of my viewers, Steph Gaming PH. Thanks for commenting on my Suzuki DZire maintenance vlog and suggesting that I do more DIY periodic car maintenance. Your feedback inspired me to make time for a simple car maintenance video for now. So, shout out to you for being an awesome supporter. In today's video, we'll tackle a straightforward yet essential car maintenance task: car door check grease lubrication. Before we fully begin, let's talk about what a car door check is. While the name may sound unfamiliar, you've definitely seen it countless times on your car. This small mechanism sits between the hinges of your car door and ensures it doesn't swing out uncontrollably or slam shut. Now, let's get started. By the way, sorry for the video quality here isn't ideal. I used a different gadget to test its performance, which struggled with low light and focusing, or maybe my camera settings was incorrect. Lesson learned for next time. In this part of the video, I'll show you how the car door check looks when it's been neglected for years without grease lubrication. Notice how dry it appears and the signs of wear and tear. When your car is brand new, the car door check comes with a layer of grease lubricant, protecting it from friction and damage. Over time, this grease wears off, and that's when you need to step in to reapply it. This is how the car door check appears when it's well maintained and in good condition. A smooth, functional mechanism. In contrast, this is what it looks like after being neglected for months or even years without grease lubrication, dry, worn, and showing visible signs of deterioration. I purchased a white grease lubricant online specifically for this DIY task. The downside? It didn't include a brush applicator. No problem. I'll show you how to repurpose a used toothbrush by heating and bending it slightly for easy application. Check the video description for the store link, which offers a similar grease lubricant with a free brush. In this segment of the video, I'm using low heat from a gas stove to gently warm a section of the toothbrush. This allows me to bend it slightly, making it easier to apply the grease precisely and effectively. Let's get hands-on. We'll apply grease to all 4 car door check components using the modified toothbrush. Be generous with the application and ensure the grease covers the entire mechanism, top and bottom areas included. Hello, viewers. I have a small favor to ask. Your support means the world to me, so please subscribe to my channel and join me on my DIY journey. Don't forget to watch my videos from start to finish for more tips, and watch my other videos. Thank you for being awesome. Quick fact, my car is nearly 4 years old, and this is my first time lubricating the car door check. It's an overdue task, but better late than never. Here are 3 key reasons to keep this part lubricated. 1. Smooth operation. Ensures your car doors open and close effortlessly. 2. Noise reduction. Prevents annoying squeaks that can develop over time. 3. Prolonged durability. Minimizes wear and tear caused by repeated friction. Let's get a bit technical. A car door check, also known as a door check strap or door stay, serves as a safeguard against doors opening too far or slamming shut. It protects the hinges and bodywork of your car, small but mighty. After letting the lubrication settle overnight, I'll demonstrate the results to you by checking each of the 4 doors of my car. As you can see, the car door check now looks smooth, shiny, and well-greased. The mechanism operates much better than before. No signs of friction or dryness. Did you know this grease can be used for more than just your car? It's versatile and works wonders on motorcycles, bicycles, and even power tools, keeping them running smoothly and quietly. Here's a quick story. My cousin's car developed a squeaky noise when opening and closing the door, despite being less than 2 years old. She suspected the issue stemmed from frequent car washes, where the door check part was thoroughly cleaned, stripping away the grease lubricant. Moral of the story: when your car wash guy cleans your car, remind them not to overclean this part. Dear viewers and DIYers, my tips or advice is, as much as possible, if it is only a basic car maintenance and your car is already beyond the warranty period, for me, it is much better to do a DIY car maintenance. Of course, much better, as much as possible, to use or buy genuine or buy quality brand car parts, since you have saved already labor costs by doing DIY. Another DIY maintenance session complete. We successfully lubricated the car door check, ensuring smoother operation, reduced noise, and prolonged durability. I plan to reapply grease to my car door checks twice a year and share more tips in future videos. Don't hesitate to drop comments. I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share this video, follow, and subscribe for more DIY home makeovers, car maintenance, woodwork, gadget, or power tool reviews, and more DIY tips. If you have any questions, suggestions, or stories you'd like to share, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to reply to you as soon as possible. God bless.